Hey, I'm here. Where? Hi. Yeah. Hi, man. Look at me. Where are you? I'm here with water. Yeah. Water. No. Water. Water. Lucian. What's the water? I'm not water. Ooh. Oh. Oh. Ooh. Oh. Ah, let's go back. No, it wasn't. Wait, no, yeah, come on. Bisa beauty. Hey, YouTuber, this is so much fun. Tapi cuma nak masuk dalam air. Kenapa susah? I don't know. You speak English. Morning. Hi, Dad. Can you, my sister, please help me for a minute? Right. So, we are done. Ooh, look at that. You in the morning. Oh, yeah. Pokeball. Hey, come on. Whoa, come on. I can't do it. I can't do it, Bella. Help me, Bella. That is set. Thank you, okay? Why not? Ella? Hi, Ella. I'm not Ella. I'm Bella. Okay, I'm next. I feel with X here. Wait, don't move. I don't know where my swimming suit. One, two, I have to wear my swimming suit. Up here, bro. Where's the swimming suit, please? Where's my swimming suit? I don't know. Where's my swimming suit? Here. 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 Swimmer and then uniform. No, could I get up my dress? Good dress. Yeah. So I'm gonna take my bag out. No bag. No bag. No. Okay, I'm ready right now. Hey, ready. Ready. Set up. No. I'm gonna change my dress. Yeah. So I'm gonna set. No, yeah. I'm done. I can see. Let me change. Yeah, let me change. Wow, I'm gonna. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, I would keep here. No, Yanni. I found paper too. If you want, there you go. This is the tail. Okay, we're done. Right, today we're on the water because we're gonna have so much fun in the water. Ooh, party. A water party. Fun. Wait, come on, change it on. I don't want to swim. Come on, you're gonna start swimming. I said I don't want to swim. But you always want to. I hate swimming class. I will drown. What do you mean about? I will drown. I'm not funny. Ha! Where is makeup? I'm recording. What do you mean about? I can't be that. Hey, where you get that? You have to find this up there. Where is it? Makeup. Wait. It's right there. Don't call me Safia. I'm not your Safia. Lepas tu, sampai mana nak bawa? Ouch, ouch. Okay, Safia, mana nak bawa? Bawa. Safia. Bawa. Bye. Tolong bawa. Nak makeup bawah. Nak lain. Atas. Tengok seperti satu. Bawah. Bawah. Betul. Lepas tu pasti jadi macam ni. Sebab dia sip. Oh no, my makeup. Where done? Oh. My makeup. Oh no, my makeup. Because I'm swimming in the pool. Hey, who are you? What are you? Come back here, man. Princess Tuka. Hi, Princess Tuka. That's my friend. No. I love your best friend. It's my best friend. How to go in? I want to go out. No, I said I want to go in. Oh, you can jump. And how do you do that just now? Like if I stand here and I jump in. I stand here and I stand and I jump. I couldn't jump. And then so that's me. You change your hairstyle and really truly there? Oh my god. Are you ready? Woo! Party today. You know what party is? Party is the best. No. You want to hear what's down with the swim? I don't want to go inside. I want to go down there. Sasha, Chimney. Oh, Sasha, Chimney. Guys, sisters. Down. like a yellow car. No, what? I like you. I like you, sweetie. Sweetie. I love you. Why you wanna let me out? I know what you did last summer. Princess Beauty, Princess Belle. I love swimming too. I love swimming. It's really fun. Look at your makeup. My makeup because of the water is. There's so much water. Why are you jumping? Oh, whoa, I'm in. Oh, I'm in. What do you know about me? Tell me in the comment and my heart. God. Swimming all together, we are fun. I know. I want a one eye. Look at me. I have one eye. Look. Whoa! Woo! Woo! I have two eyes now. Let's go. Quick. Let's finish now for your next exercise. Woo! Best double ever! Wee! Best one ever. I loved it before. Are you just gonna swim? I just want to swim, but I gotta press the six step for my life. So excited. Hey, where are you, Ella? Ella's gone. You are Ella. What are you talking about? The Ella. I'm Beauty. Beauty and the Beast. Beauty and the Beast. Yeah, Beauty and the Beast. You are Beauty and the Beast. Hello, guys. Look at it. Oh, this is so nice. Wow. So, anyway, that's it today. This is Lily. I have to see inside. This is Lily. How you get down there? This is Lily. I don't know. Oh my God. It's inside. Could I go inside there before I love you? I go inside there. Oh, I can see you over there. Oh, there. Are you okay? Come on, let's do the party. Oh, oh, I hope. Thank you. Thank you, Peter. My your battery is low. Oh no, my phone. My phone is that's my phone's there. So guys, I think this is all for today. Yeah. No. Why? Hurry up, 1 more minute now. This is very fun. 1 more minute.